Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Kason, that is my Tacoma, and I recently installed these Ruff Tuff seat covers. Check them out. You can already see my dog has been in here. We've been testing them out. We've been playing around with them. And in this video, I'm gonna share my thoughts, tell you what I like about them, what I don't like about them, and why I think they're important to have. If you wanna check them out, link down in the description. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. So check these out. Check out the Dura Easy Care material that I picked out. You can tell it's kind of a canvas material. It is super heavy duty. This Dura Easy Care material is just that. It's supposed to be super durable and easy to take care of. This material is water resistant as well as scratch and abrasion resistant. So just taking a look at that other side with my dog back there, you could tell it does the job. It's gonna be so easy to clean up that dirt in his hair, and he hasn't scratched it up with his nails or anything. So super excited about that. And that's one of the really nice things I like, is that they're built so heavy duty that there's no way these are gonna get ruined. They're gonna last a really, really long time. And that's important, especially when you're putting in the money and the investment to keep your truck seats looking good, as well as the seat covers looking good. So that's the material I chose, as well as this pattern. The Cryptek Knox pattern was just kind of a personal thing. Personally, I wear Cryptek when I'm out hunting, going outdoors. That's just something I wear, so that's kind of a personal touch. I like that camo, it's really cool. And then I'm sure you guys also saw this MOLLE system back here. So this is the special ops package. Got the Velcro we can put patches on, straps, the MOLLE system so we can clip stuff on there, as well as a sling or pocket back here where we can fit our rifle or our bow. If you've been following along, you know that's something I like to do, as well as storage down here. So I haven't really found much to put in here yet. I'm sure with my kid, we're gonna put some diapers and some wet wipes back there. That's how it goes being a dad and having this as your daily driver. So very cool that they have that as an option. It really just helps customize and make this thing work for you. So super sweet. Not only is the material super durable, but they also have foam on the backrest and on the bottom of the bucket seats and whatnot. So they're super comfy, I've noticed. When riding in these things, it's actually a lot better than some universal seat covers that you get. They don't have padding worth a crap. They're just some light material just to cover up the seat. So I'm very happy with it. If you watch my install video, you can tell I'm pretty stoked about these and that I really, really like them so far already. So if I had to mention anything, if I had to mention one thing that I don't like, is that when I'm hopping in, this material just catches on my clothing a little bit. So when I hop in the truck, it might catch my shirt and pull it up a little bit. But honestly, you know me, I'm not super picky. It doesn't bother me too much. So even though I'm sure there's material out there that they offer doesn't catch on clothing, this was just the one thing that I've noticed. It's like, oh, gotta adjust my shirt, you know, when climbing into the truck, but nothing crazy. That's honestly the only thing. After having these things for a little while, there's really only positive things and only things to like about these seat covers. I really like them. And they're not like any other seat cover out there. They are custom made. They are very high quality material, and you can just tell that they were made with care and they're meant to last a really long time, which is what you want, right? On my way home, we're gonna hit the vacuums, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy this is gonna be to just get with a simple like car wash vacuum. You can see, like, with Appa being back here, my golden retriever being back here, the dirt just kind of stays on top. It really doesn't get pushed into anything. So I'm sure I'll throw up overlay of me vacuuming this when we get back home. So awesome. The installation on these is one more thing I wanted to talk about, which with anything this high quality takes a little bit of time when installing. You have to be comfortable with crawling under the seats, getting the straps strapped, and just putting in the effort to make sure that it is a nice fit inside the truck. So if you haven't watched my video on how to install these, be sure to hop over there. You'll see what I'm talking about. But they utilize a strap system and Velcro, which makes it very simple and easy to install. Just takes a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, but all things that are worth that time and money are worth it. So I like when an installation goes smoothly, my way, right? Don't we all? So be sure to tell me down in the comments what you guys think. I think they're pretty sweet. head down into the description, click the links below. Check out Ruff Tuff. Thank you guys so much for the opportunity to test out these seat covers. They've been awesome, and I'm excited to have them in my rig for many, many years. If you do head over there and snag some, thank you guys so much for helping us out. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more. I got plenty of gear coming on the way. We got a bunch of stuff to install on the Taco, new suspension. It's gonna be so fun. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. We'll see you in the next one.